Hello, welcome to Spy Money. So today I did something a little bit different, and instead of hitting my 50% goal, I went ahead and let it run. And it's run since 6 o'clock this morning. It's 4 contracts, that's a $4,000 trade. And we have made, with commissions, $5,414.44. And that's where we are with it. That's really good. And that's untouched. That is fully 100% bot running all by itself. A lot of winners. There's some losers in here too, of course. There's a loser right there. You're not going to have a 100% win rate. It's just not going to happen. The way we have this set up, it did very well. We have two different templates that we run. One is when it's more of a trend day, and one of them is for kind of a roller coaster day, which is what today was. I had a lot of chop in there. You can see there's several losers in here. If I had been managing the bot, I would have made more money than this, but this was fully automated, 100% untouched. Let it run from 6 o'clock this morning. You can pause this and look at the trades. And take it all the way back here to where we were. The only time I paused it at the 8:30 news this morning. I paused it and then I turned it back on about 4 minutes later. So I did do that. That is one thing I did do. I do have it set up in to where we can do our news in here. Let's see, where is that? News. It's on down here. Right there, news alerts. We can turn this on to where it will turn the bot off at certain times, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes before the news, and kick back on after. So we can do that, but I did not have that turned on. And it actually worked out really well today. Bot, like I said, 100% fully automated, untouched, and it made, what is that, about 114% profit. So it did very well. So how do you get started with this? That's what the big question is. Everybody asks me, how do I get started? A lot of people ask about the price. I don't say the price on the video because it could be changed. But you go up here to SpyMoneyLSC.com, go to the Ninja Suite. When you click on this, and when this opens up, there's a little video right here that explains what we do. But the price that we currently have, if you scroll down here, when you read through this right here, you have to do this in order to be able to lease the bot. But one of the things in it, the Ninja Suite is a 30-day lease. At the current moment, it's $1,600 every 30 days. Now, the other thing is SpyBot is not a bot that you turn on and go to work and come back and have all this money. It's not the way it works. There's ways that we want to run the bot. That's why we can't do back testing on it, because there's times that we don't even turn on the bot. And if you back test, you're just turning it on and taking it for whatever it is, and that's not how we run bots. I teach you how to look at these bots and the charts and see, should you even be turning the bot on? And that's what we do. So there's times that we don't turn it on. Again, I go through all this with you. I have recordings that you watch that teach you this stuff, plus we talk about it in Discord. And yeah, the last thing we want you to do is lose money. Now, are you going to have a losing trade? Absolutely. Is it going to be your first one? It could be. You're not always going to be profitable on the first trade. It's going to happen. That's part of trading. It's like in business, you have to think of trading as like a business. And in business, you're not going to make money on every single customer. You're just not going to do it. There's going to be times that things happen, and you might lose money on a job or whatever, and it's just going to happen. So to get started, you have to read through these 14 items and agree to them. If you do, right or left click and highlight all this, and actually right here, down to the 14, you right click it, and then we go up to the Contact Us page at the top. Having trouble with my mouse. When you go up here, you're going to put in the first name, your last name, your email, your phone number. Without that information, I will not send it. You have to have it all. I don't call you or anything unless you want me to, but I have to have all the information. You paste that inside this box, click submit, and then we will get the email. And once we get the email, then I'll go ahead and send you a link to where you can join. That's how it works. So what do you get with all the lease? So if we come down here, we're going to say that you get all the trading bots that we have available. Right now, the main one everybody uses is a coaster bot. It is incredible. It does a great job. Today, one of the settings that we have run for a month, if you'd left it running, did not do very well. However, I run it last night, I made money on it, and I run it earlier this morning. I made money, I shut it off, I hit my goal, and I quit. So that particular one, usually you can run it all day long, and it will usually, even when it's in a negative, it'll pull itself out. Now, we have about another half hour. It could pull itself out of the negative on it. But again, if you follow the rules, which is hit your goal or your risk tolerance, and you stop. You're not every day is going to be a winning day. So don't join thinking you're going to turn it on and make money every single day. It just don't happen. Now, the other template that we have on the bot did very well. And I teach you how to look at the market to see, is that going to work for you or not. Right now it's actually in a trade. Hopefully it will go right on up. I'll be honest with you, this right here is not looking that great. The way the movement is, we got our pivot right here. We've got this level there. We went right up to it. This one right here, honestly, it might be a loser. Might be. And if it is, you know what? That's just part of trading. It's going to happen. Now, if I had been watching this, I probably would not have allowed this to trade there, and I probably should have already paused it. But hey, we were up $5,400. I can afford a loss here, so it's just making less money, so that's fine. So we'll just let it play out here, see what happens. This very well may go ahead and pump right through. It honestly, looking at this right here, it looks like it will probably go right on up to here. Nope, we had a loser there. Live loser. So we're down to 4,300. We're still 104%. This one right here could be our winner. If we get, no, actually it's not going to do it. Not going to do it there. But this one could have been a winner coming down. We may get another winner coming out of it. If we do, then this will go up. But again, we're still over 100% profit. That is excellent money. So if we go back over here, once you get signed up, these are the indicators that we have. There's more than this on there. We have some different drawing tools, add-on bars and stuff. Here's the frequently asked questions. Now, if you read through this and you don't have the answer, just send me an email on the contact. I usually respond to those emails pretty quick, so just send it. I'll do my best to answer for you. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. This is how you get started. We will be ending the program pretty soon. Only the people that have current leases will be included. I won't stop it. I'll just stop new leases coming in. That is coming very soon. So if you plan on getting started, I would suggest that you do it today, because tomorrow may not happen. And it just depends on how many people I get in with how much, I guess aggravation would be the word for it. This is a side business for me. I build these products for me, and I allow a small number of users to be able to use them. And that's how I work it. I don't want to have an influx of people in here. I'm not a huge business, and I don't plan on being a huge business. I plan on just keeping a small group of people. That way we can control it, and everybody is doing well, and we know each other, on a name basis. That helps everything out. So once I get to that point, I will go ahead and shut the lease off. Last year I shut it off December 15th, and this year may be sooner than that. So I didn't open the lease for a while after that, and it worked pretty good. We've got a good group of people. There's a lot of profits being shown in the Discord. There's a lot of profits that people just text me and tell me that they've made, and don't post it. But anyway, that's how you get started. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to get you started. If you know how to use NinjaTrader, you can have this thing installed and running in the same day. If you don't know how to use NinjaTrader, it depends on the learning curve of the person. So some people can do it in a day, some people it's a week, some people it's a month. It just depends on what you can learn. But just let me know what I can do for you, and we'll go from there. Have a great day.